Looking for a fun and creative way to decorate your garden? Welcome to the wonderful world of rock painting. This is a craft where simplicity meets creativity, turning everyday rocks into pieces of art. It's not just a cost-effective way to add a splash of color and personality to your garden, but it also allows you to express your style and creativity. From cute creatures to inspiring quotes, the possibilities are endless. Today you will learn how to transform ordinary rocks into extraordinary garden decor. Before you begin, gather all the materials you will need. You'll need an assortment of rocks, your favorite paints, different sized brushes for detail, and a protective sealant to ensure your art withstands the elements. Once you have all your materials, you can start the exciting process of rock painting. Now it's time to unleash your creativity. The first step in rock painting is finding the right rock. Look for smooth, flat stones that are easy to paint on. Once you've found your rock, it's important to clean it thoroughly. Use warm water and a brush to remove any dirt or debris. Next, it's time to paint your design. You can use acrylic paints or paint pens to create your masterpiece. Remember, the design should reflect your personality and match your garden aesthetic. Don't be afraid to experiment with colors and patterns. Once your design is complete, let the paint dry completely. This could take anywhere from a few hours to a full day, depending on the thickness of your paint. Lastly, apply a protective sealant to your rock. This will ensure your design lasts through all types of weather. After the sealant dries, your hand-painted rock is ready to be placed in your garden. And there you have it, your very own hand-painted rocks ready to be placed in your garden. Rock painting is not just fun, it also allows you to create unique decorations for your garden. Each painted rock mirrors your creativity and personality, making your garden one of a kind. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing DIY ideas.